Hey guys, I have some very exciting news because I've just landed my first brand partnership. So this is gonna be pretty amazing because I'm gonna share all the ways you can be involved and what this even is. So stay tuned because this is gonna knock your socks off. This has been in the works for a little bit, guys, and I've decided that it is time to share with you guys the news and the links. So I have officially been approved to be an Amazon influencer. Yes, it is very exciting, and you might be wondering, what is an Amazon influencer and what does that have to do with me? Well, let me break it down. So on my YouTube videos, I talk about products I really enjoy using, and in the description of those YouTube videos, you'll see some Amazon links and a link to my Amazon storefront for all the products that I really love buying off of Amazon and my little Amazon finds. So when you click on those links to the products or the products in my Amazon store and you decide to purchase those products using those links, then Amazon gives me a commission off of that purchase. And guess what? It doesn't even change the price of that product for you at all. So you get to try new fun things, and then I get a commission off the products, and it allows me to keep creating content on my YouTube channel for you guys. So it means the world to me. So thank you. So if you haven't already, head on over to my YouTube channel and check out those links in the description, and maybe you'll find something that you really want to purchase. And if you also want to check it out in the link in my bio or in the comment on this post, then you'll see my link tree. They'll take you to my YouTube channel and my Amazon storefront. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get shopping.